viewers, I am Smita. Welcome to Karnataka Kitchen. Today I am going to show you the preparation of Massoppu, that is mashed green leaves curry. Massoppu is usually prepared with a variety of green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are a great source of calcium, iron, vitamins and fiber. Massoppu, that is mashed green leaves curry, is a flavorful gravy with an amazing taste. This curry can be enjoyed with steamed rice and chapatis. Now let us see how to prepare this. For making Massoppu, that is mashed green leaves curry, I have taken one bunch of amaranthus leaves, that is Dantin Sappu, one bunch of spinach, that is Palak Sappu, and one bunch of fenugreek leaves, that is Menthit Sappu. Wash all the greens thoroughly and then chop them roughly. Into a pressure cooker, add 1.5 cups of washed tur dal. Add spinach, amaranthus leaves, fenugreek leaves, little coriander leaves, little curry leaves, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 5 garlic cloves, 3 green chillies, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 3 glasses of water, 1 teaspoon of oil, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Cover and pressure cook for up to 3 whistles. For making masala paste, add 3 tablespoons of grated coconut into the mixie jar, 3 green chillies, little coriander leaves, gooseberry sized tamarind soaked in water, 1 tablespoon of sambar powder. Add little water and grind into a fine paste. Now mash the cooked green leafy vegetables and dal into a coarse paste. Now add masala paste. Add salt. Add a small piece of jaggery. Mix well. Add water to adjust the consistency. Boil till the raw smell of the masala goes off. This has been boiling for 5 minutes. Now let us do your tempering for this. For tempering, keep a pan on stove and add 1 tablespoon of pure ghee. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and little hing, 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds, 3 red chillies cut into pieces, 5 garlic cloves, little curry leaves. Fry for few seconds and add the tempering to Massoppu. Massoppu is ready. Transfer this into a bowl. A healthy, nutritious and tasty Massoppu, that is mashed green leaves curry, is ready to serve. This can be enjoyed with steamed rice and chapati. Thank you for watching my video.